The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
What you mean? I don't understand. You say if we're working together and found $42 million, what are you doing with your $2 million? So you get $4 million and me get 2? You're bright.
Voila. So, my people, what happened to the other 36 million? The person said if, like say, two smaddy walk and them find 42 million. See? Basically, like one person I say, what you gonna do with your 2 million? You see me? I say, so, no most 40 million, the other person I get 4 and 2 million is not 42 million, you know. So, you know what? I think that audio is a joke. My people, let me know what you think about that audio. Do the maths for me if you want to. You hear? I'm gonna leave it right there. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again, you see? Alright, so I have some things I want to talk to you about, and at least one video I want to present to you. And I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I saw an edited video circulating on social media, and the edited video shows a tree or a plant. Allegedly, it is said that the tree or the plant bear eggs. See? You know, eggs that come from chicken. Allegedly, it is said that the tree or the plant shown in the edited video that I saw on social media bear eggs. Just like how you have trees that bear fruits. For me to 100% believe that there's a tree or a plant out there in the world that can bear eggs, I would have to see this so-called tree or plant for myself with my own 2 eyes right in front of my face, to the point where I can touch that so-called tree or plant, so that I can inspect it, and that's the only way I can come to a conclusion and say, okay, are true or not true. See? Because I see too much stunts on social media. I see too much videos posted on social media with all kind of allegations, accusations, and all kind of things. You see me? And nobody now gonna trick me. See? Me about eggplant. So my people, tell me what you think. Tell me if you believe that there's actually a tree or a plant that can bear eggs, just like a fruit or fruits on a tree. Let me know what you think. Now, I read some things in a news article that gave me the understanding that authorities within the country that is known as Australia had confirmed that there was an investigation into the allegation made by a female claiming that a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Richard Stevens raped her sometime within the year 2019. According to some more things that I read in the news article, I also got the understanding that authorities within the country of Australia confirmed that the investigation is closed. Now, I also got the understanding that authorities within the country of Australia didn't want to explain certain things about the investigation. See? So I guess them just left it right there. So you see? I also saw posts and comments on social media making allegations about Richard Stevens and the female who accused them of raping her. You know, but I'm not going to get into those allegations, you see? And I just can't help but think that something had not been explained when it comes on to the rape allegation between Richard Stevens and the female. Anyways, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, but before I present the video to you, I want you to take a look at this picture right here. This picture shows a certain amount of grapes in a parcel, or wrapped in a parcel. Let's say, no, look at the price, my people. Tell me if those 5 grapes really and truly worth the price shown in the picture. Them the 5 grapes, they couldn't even do me teeth them. You see? But I really tell my people, I wonder if the price on that parcel of grapes is a mistake. See? Me not jump to conclusion because I have worked at more than one supermarkets in my younger days. You understand? And me see where mistakes do happen. Me see where certain things have been put on shelves with wrong price sometimes. You understand? So if that is a mistake, then I can understand. You see me? But if that is not a mistake, then You see me? So, my people, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think the price on that parcel of grapes is a mistake or if you think the price too high. Let me know what you think, alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female. In the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she accused a man of physically abusing her. Now, according to some comments that have been made on social media about the video, and according to some things that have been said in the video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that the female is or was in a relationship with the man who she accused of physically abusing her. Now, the video will be recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not know when the video will be recorded, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about some of the things that you are about to see and hear in this video. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Live from Grassfield, as you guys can see here. So you break up the house.
Everything I was waiting to go in there front and back and so.
That could be been them girls family to me that like been over there. Oh, watch it come. I'm following a mouth. Stand body.
But the picture already.
Show me a picture of them.
Yeah, me that picture.
You break up your TV also.
Everything.
Everything done, guy. You done. Oh yes.
Come on, tell me that I close to you.
Coming to you guys live from Grassfield.
Come on.
Wait, let me get close to you.
Oh. I cook me your feet.
Auntie, you gotta go and wash your hair. Look how your hair there.
Yeah.
No, she picked in my cup. When I come there, because not a see for herself.
No,
She
I'm
bleed a lot.
Yeah.
So how long this happened?
I'll buy only yesterday after. He sent me my daughter them. Ask them
So why are you dealing with a man that beating you all the time?
Watch, if now was we, Shahana would have get better beat you broke, she has seen this fight. If now was
But she
we,
there, but
if now was we, when I would have become a she.
Mama, wait, my done, go away.
And we was same lady.
I want to carry you to the station before because look how
Yes,
this
bad,
thing there.
yeah.
You guys can see here.
Phone shed up.
But let me see her.
Up here, you got.
Look all your hair out swell up. It bust up all kind of thing.
Yeah. A phone.
What is guy name?
In a body. Body.
So you come home just and start eating at you?
Man, yeah, in a hotel with them. There, this guy live.
Even over we.
So y'all never report this to the station?
We did
It
not.
costs everybody every
The
time.
matter been to station ready when you broke your hand.
Alright, let me call the police.
Channel people. It seems like the woman really and truly got hurt, you know. Yeah, it seems as if the woman got hurt. You see me I say? I mean, all things in the house look like they got damaged. You see me I say? You hear the name what she said the man go by? You hear the name what she said the man go by? Who she accused of physically abusing her? Eh? You see, once you find yourself in any form of abusive relationship, get out, leave. So me I say, try and see if you can move out of that relationship. When me say move, me mean like, you know, like when you move from one house, go live in another house. Yeah, I saw you can move out of that relationship. If somebody beat you, physically abuse. If somebody says certain things that cause you to think certain things and feel certain depressed way, mentally abuse. You have different type of abuse. See? It's like, in my point of view, it seems as if you have some people who don't recognize certain types of abuse. See? Yes, that's my understanding. You see me? To me, I think that there are people out there who don't recognize when they're even being abused. You understand? Because there are different types of abuse. You see? So, me I try to point it out still, you see me? And don't be afraid to ask questions. You can ask the police, you know. If somebody do something will make you feel away, you can talk to a doctor, you can ask a police, reach out to a friend, even a pastor. See? You know, so I remember of the church, you see me? Yeah, but you know, you have some people that have pride to them, not really want to say certain things because You know, yeah, people put a lot of pride in them relationship and all them things. You see me, and them things that make enough people really and truly sit in a all type of abuse to them people. Anyways, I have some have left with no big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you and the things that I talked to you about. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.